Are low noise props actually less noisy? Let's find out. It's always good to have extra props for your drone around. Things happen. You don't see a branch, you clip something, and these props, they can get damaged, and you don't want that because you don't want to fly with damaged props. So I decided to get some extra props, and I decided, hey, I saw these low noise props, the golden model by Ultramax. They're about $20 for a set of 4, and I decided to get them and see if they're less noisy. So I'm going to fly this thing about 3.9 feet off the ground at an exact position, and we're going to measure the sound on this microphone sitting up here. Then we're going to install these low noise props, fly it at the exact same position and height, and then we're going to take it into the sound editor. We're going to take a look. Are low noise props actually less noisier, or is it just a sales pitch? Let's check it out. So these are less noisy, and according to what I just showed you, they're that much less noisy. They call impressive noise reduction, and I guess that's impressive. And let's face it, you're gonna have to replace these props anyway, so you might as well get some things that are less noisy. I've heard reports that the Mavic flies a little bit differently. I haven't seen that. I've heard it flies slower. I haven't seen that. Although the guys that talk about flying it slower fly it with everything off at 39 or 40 miles an hour. And I usually don't do that because I do filmmaking things and everything's kind of real slow. Anyway, if you want to check them out, I've left links in the description below. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. When you're landing your drone and those props are spinning, you might want to look down and make sure that it isn't going to chop into your leg. Just saying.